Hi, my lovelies. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. It's your girl Kiki Akins, and I'm here with another unboxing video. And today is June 15th. You know what it is? My birthday. So today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video with you, and let's get it started. As you all know, so do you guys want to guess what are we unboxing today, or you just want me to go ahead and show you? Don't worry, I'll go ahead and show you. So this gift is my birthday gift from myself to me, from me to myself. So what are we unboxing today? I'm sure you guys have been seeing the orange boxes, and I make sure to use orange backgrounds for you guys as well. So here is another Emmy's unboxing video. Let's see what we got in here. Okay. This is a garter. This is fresh store unboxing. Fresh store. From the store. Fresh. Okay. I need help to cut this one. Okay, I think I'm gonna need strength to bring out this. Yay! Look at it. Ta-da! Yeah. What do we have in here? What do you think it is? Is it Birkin? Is it Birkin? Is it Calibre? Wow, this is what we have in here. Let's check. Oopsie. Wow, look at this beauty. Look at this tall, fresh beauty. Wow. Okay. And of course, I have this. So that's my unboxing video with you guys today. Okay. What do you guys think? Do you like? Do you love? Peace out. I'm gonna rock this today. Bye.